Milyare. Milyare in hurry na crossover. Fire Corpus in Ausaw. Got and 33 seconds left. Canson the floater, bullseye. Canson to the baseline, bounce pass. Place Bucket Ferrer. And he passed the floater of the glass, yes sir. Welcome to Abra Intertown Solid Nerd Cup between Bangged 1 and first ball possession para sa team Manabo, and number 12 to the middle, Fix and more stolen, and here's Corpus, the long pass and fires at 3, bang! First block. Poliante stop, kicks out. Canson to the wings, one and bounce, stop, bounce pass, fires, bullseye. Milyare, pass to Talio, inside pass to Corpus, Bucket, the long pass, and Naol stops, pass to Canson to the wings, fires at 3, bang! The net, and we are tied at 5. Milyare to Talio. Talio pull up J at 3. Short. Rebound Naol. Baseball pass. Nauna na si Canson. Easy to Canson. And Manabo now up by 2. Sanchez pull up J. Bullseye. Canson now dribbling the ball at the top. He passes to Naol. Bounce pass to the Bernales Fires. Short. Fight for the rebound. Talio. Stops, inside pass, fires of the glass, and here's Canson, stops, pass to Naol. Naol stops, spins to Bernales. Canson fires at 3, Bazar, bang! Bazar! And we are tied at 10. Milyare to the middle, Blaza, pull up J, no good, short, and rebound by Ferrer. Sanchez, pull up J, Bucket at the base, and cross the mid lane, and inside pass, libre hook shot, easy to Milyare in hurry na crossover, pinasa, Corpus in Ausaw, Corpus, and here's number 10, pass to Naol, babangga dito, stop, bounce pass, Bernales spins, hook shot, na good, and Corpus now in hurry, 3 versus 1, pass to Milyare, lace, easy to Milyare, and between the legs, Canson, and the pass, number 12, Bazar, cross pass, and Bazar to Bernales to the baseline, pull up, floater, na good, Corpus, pass to Talio, all alone, Talio, easy bucket, top board pa, Canson dribbling the ball, bounce pass inside, Naol, corner pass, is create space, open 3, Naol, bang! Twin! And here's Talio, sumig, sagoy, lumayap! Oh, short, sayang! For the inbound. And the pass fix, a dribble, fires of the window, won't go. Corpus, the rebound, baseball pass. And Talio to the middle, bam, fires, Sanchez, bullseye. And the pass, Naol for 3, Bazar, short. And here's Corpus. Corpus drives all the way to the hoops. Oh! Canson goes to the middle. Natapikan is stolen by Talio. Talio all alone to the hoops. Easy 2. And the 10-point lead. Naol to the middle. Canson. Floater shot. Bucket. Canson to 8-point lead. Here's Milyare. Pass to Talio, inside pass, pull up J, Blaza, rebound ngayon ni Sanchez. Canson in hurry, the floater, in and out, rebound Sanchez, baseball pass, Talio, one-on-one, behind the back pass, Corpus, base, yes sir. And here's Canson, high pass, Bazar pass inside, Pollante stops, picks. Cross pass. Naol for long two. No good. Rebound, Corpus. And yung matake to the hoops again. Bakit? Corpus. And his Canson. Sigmegwelis. Bakit? Canson. And 33 seconds left. Canson the floater. Bullseye. Canson. That's the end of the first. Talio receives the ball. He's at the top, at the logo line. He pass to Milyare, number 51. Ferrer, he dribbled the ball to Sanchez. Attacks, goes to the baseline. Bounce pass, Ferrer, lays. Bucket, Ferrer. And here's Canson, ball is stolen. Talio. And he lays. Bucket, Talio. Canson now with the ball. He pass to the corner, spins, picks again, he fires, block, and Corpus, and is stolen by Canson. Canson all alone, easy to Canson, and here's Milyare. Pass to Sanchez to the middle, Corpus fires, easy to Corpus. Milyare. He stops, pass to Sanchez. Sanchez goes inside, the pass. Ferrer, one bounce, kicks out. Corpus goes inside, lays. No good. Rebound is on shot. No good. Ball rejected. And here's Canson, drives. Fires, bucket. Canson. Back to 10-point lead. Milyare. To the wings, to the middle. Ferrer, floater. Bullseye. And Talio, he goes to the pass to Milyare for 3. Bang! Milyare sa Manabo. Behind the back dribble. And Canson spins. Natapikan is stolen. And here's Talio all alone. Easy bucket, Talio. And Canson pass to the middle. Pull up J. Bang! 25-29 score natin. Milyare. Pass to Blaza. To Milyare, to the middle, Ferrer. Pass to Talio. Talio goes inside to Mararo, far short, rebound again, kicks out, open for 3, bang! Milyare. Canson cross the mid lane, between the legs, and pass back, Canson cross pass, and high pass, attacks, floater, oh, rejected. Bound. Pass to Angeles. High pass to the middle. 4-3 short. Rebound. Pull up J. Bucket. And 48-31 score natin. Milyare stops. Ferrer. One bounce. Floater. Bucket. Pollante. He pass to the middle. Ball stolen. And here's Blaza, lap, dumipad, yes sir. The pass. Pollante for 3, bang, the nets. Milyare. High pass to the baseline, and Corpus, lays, basket and one. Milyare, stops. Pass to Blaza, pass back, Milyare. Pass to the wings, Milyare. To the middle, pull up J. Ferrer, bucket. Ferrer. And he passed the floater of the glass, yes sir. Milyare. Milyare to the middle. Bounce pass, and Ferrer attacks to the baseline, lays, easy 2. And number 7, the high pass, Diem. Natapikan, stolen. Ferrer, binit-bit, easy 2, Ferrer. Diem. Bounce pass. Cross pass for 3. Short. Rebound. Corpus. Spins. Corpus. Drives the step. Pinasa. Pinabitin. Bakit? Number 34. Ball possession. Manabo sa 3. Won't go. Rebound. One bounce. Far of the window. Yes, sir. Talyo. Talyo with the ball. Goes to the screen. Stop. Pass to Corpus. Lace. And one. And Canson. Sumisigsag. Canson. Bump. Lace. Bucket. Canson. And Talyo. Against Naol. Behind the back. Bounce pass. Corpus. Lace. Pick and roll. Naol. Floater. Off the glass. Bucket. Canson in Harry. Drives. Oop! Oh! The spectacular hoop! Talyo. Goes to the middle. Side step. Behind the back pass. Pinabitin. Putback. Wala pa rin. Full shot. Bucket. Blasa. Was stolen. And here's Canson. Easy to Canson. Baseball pass. Talyo. Between the legs. Attacks. Bounce pass. Easy to Blasa. Talyo. Talyo goes inside to yung gandang pasaw. Sinausaw na. And pass back. And stolen. And Talyo. Long pass. And Blasa lays. Basket and one. Mactalyo. Pass to the middle. Sanchez bump. Far of the window. Bucket. Sanchez. Ejected. And Canson against Corpus. I-pass. Far of the window. Milyare pass. Fars and Blaza. Canson. Pass to number 27. Polyante, Bucket, Polyante. Canson long pass. Left alone for 3. Bang! 3 point. Between the legs. Crossover. Talyo to the middle. Pull up J. Bucket. Sanchez. End of the. And Talyo. Pass to Ferrer. Ferrer, hook shot, in and out. Put back, Sanchez, no good. Sanchez pa rin, Bucket is good. And pass break. Umikot, pinasa. Canson, yes sir. Ferrer. And Ferrer one bounce side step place. Yes sir. Ferrer. Canson bounce pass. No, rejected. Left alone for 3. Bang. Liz. So rejected again. Out. For 3. Baseball pass. Talyo. Lace, easy to. Pass break, Canson ulit. Lace, yes sir, Canson. Milyare. Milyare, stop, pull up jumper. No good. Put back, Blaza. Canson, he pass to the wings for 3. Bang! The nets. Between the legs. Fars, yes sir, Milyare. Canson spins, floater, Bucket, Canson. And the pass. Liz, Bucket, Milyare. Canson. Canson drives, bump, falling away. No good rebound. He spins, fars. Bucket. Corner. Sa gitna, Lace, Bucket, Ferrer. Canson. Pass, reverse layup. Yes, sir. Long pass. And Canson sumigsag. Lace, yes, sir. Congratulations, Banged 1.